Trey Campbell here, coming at you with another recap video. Today's date is 3/12/2019. I wanted to recap 3 trades today that I took, so let's hop right in. The first trade that I took, it was actually alerted in our chat room. I wasn't even looking at it, and then started looking at it, and I mean, just nailed this trade. It was amazing. So thank you. You know who you are if you ever watch this video. Because of you, I was able to catch this and make a pretty good bit of money. So I wasn't even looking at it. I was looking at something else. But you see this right here? I nailed the short entry right there. Actually, about 25,700. So about right there was the strike, but I waited till we were like right here, so I got a really good price on this strike, and it just immediately dumped off of that value area high box there, and took profits somewhere right around in this area. So it was a fantastic trade. Boom. It was probably a $200 or so trade, give or take a little bit. So it was a really good trade right there. Boom. It was just really quick and easy and painless. There's no hold throughs. There wasn't like waiting until the end of the day to have to collect your money. It was just in and out. So that was /YM. Easy trade there. The other trade that I took was immediately right after that trade was this one right here. You can see this strike right here. I took this short, nailed it, and actually got a pretty good price on it as well, and got out. I think I sold this contract for $55, somewhere in this zone right here, and took profits right here at the bottom. Reason being that I knew to take profits there. Old resistance, new support, right? That's where you gotta think about this. It doesn't always just crash back down to old support. If it's trying to trend, it's going to use that old resistance as new support. So that's a great target for profit. Was able to get out for $25 on that contract. So I sold the 55s, and I got out for 25 there. So $30. So that was a good trade there. So I had draw that in there for you. I had 10 contracts, so that was $300. So, and a $200 on the YM. So we're up $500 on the day, and I'll show you a trade that I'm currently still in as of right now. It's currently noon. So I'm currently in a trade right now, this crude oil trade. I got in. I tried something different today, and I shouldn't have. So really, realistically, at this point, I'm just trying to break even on it. I think I'm down. I'm down about $30 on it right now. I may just cut it here pretty soon if this thing can't break down. What I did is I did a call spread instead of a binary option, and I should have just not tried to step outside of my wheelhouse here, but I wanted to try something different because I was able to get this call spread at the top, which means I had very little downside. So as of right now, I've got 5 contracts. The most I can lose on this trade is $50. That's how at the top I was of that particular call spread. So when I shorted it, I was at the very tip top, so it had very little downside but huge upside. And then yesterday I talked about being that we were massively overbought, and it would be an interesting day to see this thing come back down to earth. Well, what other great way to do that than with a call spread that gives me $50 downside but $2,500 upside, if this thing just decided to collapse. So it was worth the risk, I guess, but it's just not working out. It's just kind of being sluggish. So I'm gonna just scratch that if we can get down in this area. It looks like it's coming down now. So we need to get down below $57, you know, somewhere in this area right here. If we get down in this area, I'll be golden. And I'm just kind of trying to be patient with it and all that good stuff. But that's Tuesday's recap. So far doing pretty good this week. I'm up about $800 minus this trade here for the week, and it's only Tuesday. So I mean, I'm feeling pretty good about that. Like, I know that's not a lot of money to people, and people that are thinking about trading for a living or whatever, they want to make, you know, thousands of dollars a day. But $800 in 2 days for, you know, sitting here at my house trading is pretty good money, if you ask me. So I will take it. This has been just a pretty good week. Last week was not that great, so I'm hoping to kind of make up for the slow week last week, or the losing day last week. I had a loser last week that really brought my total P&L for the week down. So this week, hopefully we're off to a good start. We've got I do have some stuff going on tomorrow, so I doubt I will be trading much. A lot of stuff at my daughter's school I've got to go attend to and stuff like that. So I doubt that I will be here trading tomorrow, but if I do trade, I'll recap it. So that's all I got. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. I'm out.